Ever since 2016, we've had a dream of moving to the Dominican Republic. But like many of you, it was just a thought in the back of our mind until 2025 happened. That's when we realized it was time to stop being bystander and to start taking action. I'm Betty Gonzalez. I'm an Army veteran, parent to high schoolers, and now a proud owner of a small villa in Punta Cana. We're not moving tomorrow, but we are preparing for the future step by step. Our mission: to build a safe, welcoming life for our family, a place with good schools, community, and peace of mind. We know a lot of people are out there asking the same questions. What does it really take to buy a home in the Dominican Republic? What's the real cost of living? How do you even start? On this channel, we are sharing the real journey, from the scouting of neighborhoods and buying our first villa to understanding the residency process, cost of living, and what expat life is really like. We'll share what we learn, the good, the bad, and the surprises along the way so that you'll be ready if you ever decide to make the move. So if you ever thought about moving abroad or just want to be behind the scenes on what it takes to build a new life in the Dominican Republic, hit the subscribe and join us in this journey. We are just getting started.